Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is how you can log out your WhatsApp from your iPhone. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. And if you follow me step by step, I promise you will be able to log out your WhatsApp from your iPhone very easily. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and watch till the end. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to your WhatsApp. After that, you have to go to your settings. After you go to your settings, you have this option of linked devices. You have to click it. After you click it, you can see there's this linked device on my phone. I will click this and then you can see there's this option of logout. I will click this option. After I click this option, a prompt of confirmation pops up. I will click logout again. And guys, you can see it has logged out of my iPhone, and this was an easy process and easy way. And if you follow me step by step and if you do not skip the video, you will be able to log out your WhatsApp from your iPhone too. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.